Ethra Robotics competition run by IIT Bombay for the last 14 years has been an incredible way of training young engineers in complex engineering skills through a competition which lasts 6 months. Over the years, the registrations have grown exponentially, and we find as the competition has grown in complexity and depth as the years have gone on, that the people who first time come to this competition find it difficult. So to help these people who would like an introductory taste of something before they embark on the more advanced journey of the competition, we've prepared a short 3-week course. In this course, we will slowly let you into what the competition is all about. We will give you the foundational concepts of robotic operating systems. We will show you the layout of the overall competition and what kind of mindset you need to navigate this highly exciting but somewhat complex competition. This short course requires a basic knowledge of robotics and Python. The duration is 3 weeks, it's online, and it's a paid course open to anyone with no prerequisites whatsoever. The prizes are merit certificates and goodies. So join this course if you wish to improve your chances in EYRC. We hope a lot of you will join this course and be inspired to overcome yourselves and become the best engineer that you can be.